Let me guide you through a hypnotherapy session as your eyes gazing this beautiful picture at the beach side. You're just watching the sun and gazing it softly. Wonder about the temperature out there. How is the feeling? Would it feel to be there? And you're allowing your eyes slowly and gently warm up with the sun power over there. Just keep watching this picture and bringing your attention, your gaze into the sun. And as you feel your eyes slowly closing up because the sunshine is so blurry, so lightful, you slowly closing your beautiful eyes. Your eyes feels heavier and heavier as light is completely closed. There is nothing that can open it up. As your eyes close now, you're starting to feel in your top of your head. How is it feels there, the muscles? Is soften up, is relaxing at the moment. In your cheeks area as well, everything gets softened and relaxed. As you're moving down to your jaw area, to your mouth area, it's getting softer and softer, relaxed. Take a big deep breath. Feel this calmness within you. And as you release the air, you get more and more relaxed. Allowing your body now to feel completely tranquil, undisturbed. There is nothing to worry about, to think about, just to relax. As maybe moving down to your throat area, see your feelings getting softer, relaxer, lighter. You moving down to your chest, keeping your attention there as you allowing your chest be fully relaxed. Noticing your muscles over there, how is it feels as it fully relaxed. Your attention is flowing down to your arms, to your wrists, and to your fingers. You keep breathing and you're doing so well until now. Your breath is steady and relaxed. And as you keep in more deeper breath within, you're allowing your mind and body to be more and more relaxed. As you're bringing down your attention to your stomach area now, and you're allowing your stomach to fully relax, to sense the muscles over there, allowing your mind to flow downward to both of your toes, your ankle area, your foot, and your tiptoes. Feel everything there. Sense all the muscles and allow them now to be fully relaxed. As you remember that picture, what we started that session with, you again see it now in front of you. Is bring it up as a visualization. Imagine that wooden chair in front of you, that beautiful ocean which is endless. The amount of water is just so relaxed, so clear. The palm tree in your left side giving you a little shadow just enough to feel completely relaxed in this present moment. Let's take a big deep breath and allowing our body just feel and sense the sun. How perfect at the moment. Everything around us. The temperature, the sounds, to being alone and undisturbed is the time for us to fully charge and giving ourselves a permission to relax. I want you to feel in your feet the sand. Perfectly feels by is still warm because of the sun. Warm it up for you just as you like. Take a few steps towards the sea in front of you, that beautiful sea. Walk till your little tiptoes can feel the water, which is so nice, so warm, just perfect, as you always wanted to swim into it. As you take a few steps towards that, you're allowing your body to make a jump into this beautiful ocean, a jump to a freshing up time, a jump within to memories and letting go what not serving you well any longer. I count by 3 when you gonna jump. I start to count down, but before that, let's take a big deep breath. Inhale it with your nose and slowly exhale it with your mouth whenever you are ready. I'm starting to count down 3 from 3, and as you're ready, you're gonna make that jump into the ocean. On 3, you acknowledge that and see the sea in front of you. On 2, you're preparing yourself to jump, to get into that warm, absolutely perfect water. feel absolutely relaxed. You're feeling so peaceful under the water. You are alone now. There is nobody to disturb. And as you're reaching for a next breathtaking, I want you to stand out from that water. Stand up on 3. 1, 2, stand up. 3. Open up your eyes. How beautiful in front of you. That sea, the sun, your body is just get under the water. You're aiming to dry up. So slowly, let's move back to this wooden chair and lay down. Gaze the sun again and allow your body to slowly dry up. Enjoy this present moment of nothing around you, nobody disturbing you, just you that in this island, nobody else, just you. And you're feeling so relaxed, so well. You don't need anything or anyone, just this little break time from everything. As you're closing your eyes, I want you to take a big deep breath, allowing your mind, your body to fully charge with this perfect moment and release more calmness. Take a little moment there and enjoy everything around you. As the sun, as the waves of the ocean, as a palm shape above you, and the beautiful skies, just undescribable how beautiful they are and how many shapes they have. I want you, as you are ready now, to slowly bringing your attention back to the present moment, to this room and space. By I count on from 3 to 1. I want you to come back right here, right now. On 3, you're starting to move your legs. On 2, your arms and the awareness of your face. And on 1, I want you to open up your eyes. Welcome back to the present moment. I hope you have had a relaxing time, a charging time, and I wish for you to have a wonderful day.